Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Ford Fusion SE, stock number E1923P. 21,000 miles on this Fusion. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Oxford white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice sized trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and this of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, USB, allowing you to connect media devices, automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 21 miles per gallon and a city average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.